Lindsay.
And I'm Michael.
We do DIY projects for kids. Welcome to the channel.
For today's unboxing, we're going to be showing the Lorraine TV stand from Wayfair. But what you'll see that when it comes in, it'll say Twin Star on it.
This is the box. You need an adult to open it. When they ask for a knife, bring them a knife, so that they can open it like this. Next, you have to open the box like this, or pick up.
In the red bag, you'll find that there are these screws. Luckily, they have sorted this for us, and you'll find it's A to D. But in this white bag, you'll find the tipping restraint hardware, which prevents the shelf from falling on your small kids.
Use a mat or a box to not damage the floor while you're building the cabinet.
So if you're gonna use this box to not damage the floor, make sure you take out the staples so you don't hurt yourself.
Look at the letters so that you can put the right parts in order.
So first, put this base part where the line is on top, this plastic line. Then you put one of these pieces where this little brown thing is on the top part. Then to know that you've got it right, make sure that this line here is connected for both the pieces. These notches here are where you put the screws. These screws are going to be AA screws, and you put them in like this. Then you get your screwdriver and you turn it. If it's too hard for you to turn, ask an adult to come and help you. And like that, you screw all 8 screws in. So then you flip the base over so that all of these pieces are standing on top of it. Then you take piece K and you take these 2 dowels and put it into the holes. And you push. Then you take these 2 and you push that in.
What the railing looks like on the other side.
So then you take this brown plastic thingy and you line it up with that hole there. Then once you do that, then take your BB screw and put it in the hole and screw. So for the middle pieces, it's a little different. You take this brown plastic thing and there's a hole inside it, and you line it up with the hole inside of the K panel and you screw it in with your double B screws. So now we take the L&M door panels and put them on the railing.
Once they're done, you can open the doors like this, or you can shut the doors like this.
Then push the door guide into the door tracks. Then you take panel J and you put it where these 2 notches are. Panel J bends a little bit, so you have to be careful. Boom. Similarly, take panel I and make sure the hole is on the bottom, and do the same thing we did last time. This one doesn't bend, so you're fine with this. Boom.
Put the G panel on top of the cabinet, but it's too heavy, so you need to call a grown-up.
Now you screw in the CC screws from the bottom. Just like that. Now we only have to do that a couple more times.
Next, put this mushroom brown looking screws in the holes so it can hold up the shelves. Now put these D shelves on the middle cabinet on top of the mushrooms, like how we lined them. So do the same thing we did for the middle, but use the 8 shelves as shelving, okay? Next, install this so it can't fall over your small kids. We're all done. This is what it looks like. In fact, it's so good, we bought 2 of them.